Finding the right electric impact wrench can be tricky. Low torque, short battery life, heavy builds, and unreliable motors often disappoint users. That's why modern electric and brushless impact wrenches stand out. They deliver massive torque, faster performance, and reliable durability for auto repair, tire changes, and DIY jobs. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best electric impact wrenches. Powerful, efficient, and built for both professionals and home users. We analyzed online research and real user feedback to create this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tool reviews. Number 5. ONEVAN 2800 NM Brushless Electric Impact Wrench. The ONEVAN 2800 NM impact wrench delivers extreme torque in a compact cordless design. Powered by a brushless motor, it offers longer lifespan, less heat, and higher efficiency. Compatible with 21V and 18V batteries, this half-inch wrench is ideal for car repairs, heavy bolts, and construction tasks. Despite its power, it remains lightweight and easy to handle. A solid choice for users who want serious torque without sacrificing portability or control. Number 4. FitSpace Tools 1000 NM Cordless Impact Wrench. The FitSpace Tools impact wrench delivers up to 1,000 Newton meters of torque, making it perfect for tire removal and heavy-duty DIY work. Its brushless motor ensures smooth operation and long-term reliability. Powered by a 20-volt battery with a fast charger included, it balances performance and convenience. The ergonomic grip and compact design reduce fatigue during long tasks. This wrench is a dependable option for home garages and automotive maintenance. Number 3. Electric Goddess 1800 NM Cordless Impact Wrench. The Electric Goddess 1800 NM impact wrench combines high torque with a compact, travel-friendly design. Its brushless motor delivers strong and stable performance while extending battery efficiency. Designed to work with 21V Makita-compatible batteries, it's great for auto repair, construction, and mechanical work. The balanced weight and solid grip make it comfortable for extended use. Ideal for users who want power, portability, and compatibility in one tool. Number 2. ALLSIETO Tool Brushless Impact Wrench for Milwaukee 18V Battery. The ALLSIETO Tool Impact Wrench is built for versatility and convenience, supporting Milwaukee 18V batteries. With a powerful brushless motor and multiple torque options, it's perfect for tire changes, auto repair, and workshop tasks. The electric ratchet-style design improves precision while maintaining strong performance. Durable construction and multiple configuration choices make it suitable for both professionals and serious DIY users looking for flexibility and reliability. Number 1. PROSTORMER Electric Impact Wrench 1100W 450 NM. The PROSTORMER Electric Impact Wrench earns the top spot with its powerful 1100W motor and consistent 450 Nm torque output. Designed for a 230-volt ported use, it delivers stable performance without worrying about battery life. With a half-inch drive, 3,400 RPM speed, and 4 included sockets, it's perfect for tire removal and automotive repair. This tool is ideal for users who want non-stop power and professional-grade reliability. Electric impact wrenches make tough jobs faster and easier. These 5 models offer strong torque, durable motors, and great value for auto repair and DIY work. Whether you prefer cordless freedom or corded power, there's a perfect option here. Which one would you choose? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.